Hey guys, welcome back. Just a little recap. We got the sides and the front on. Everything's looking pretty good. And today I'm going to start off with the roof. I've already gone ahead and painted 3 sides. The fourth side I'm coming around and giving it a light grind. So when I put my tape down to tape down the roof, it will adhere real well. So I'll go ahead and get that finished and we'll move on. Alright, just a recap from the last video. You want to use a scrubby and scratch the kind of buff the surface so the glue on the tape sticks better. Okay, we'll go ahead and wipe down the metal with some acetone. Alright guys, I got both panels on the roof on and it's looking good. And sorry I didn't get it on video. Unfortunately, the camera overheated. So, okay, let's move on to the next project. Before I put the tape on, I usually take a straight edge to check for any high spots. And I'll grind them down. Once I put the double-sided tape on, I do check for low spots, and what I'll do is I'll come back and add a second layer of tape to fill it in. Alright guys, we're going to stop working on the back right now, and we're going to wait and put the ACM panels on the back when it's up on the truck. But yeah, the reason for it is getting to the bottom of this to flip the ACM panels up is going to be too hard with it being on the ground. So I'll go ahead and come over here. On the front, we're going to run our trim, which if I put the trim on now, I won't have to deal with it later. So we're going to run 1-inch strip down here, and then we're going to run some 3/4 inch angle around here, and that'll finish that off. All right, we got the bottom and top trim piece on, and on the top you'll see a trough in here. This trough you can come in and fill with silicone to completely seal the whole thing up. I'll be doing that for a secondary seal. And now we're going to be working on these corners, and I've got a couple already cut. Here they are. And they'll fit like that. And then there will be one down here, and then we'll come up here and put another piece up here and just keep on going with it. All right, I'm going to use snips to cut these. I just follow the scribe line I did. Okay, so that's about what you get, and then you hammer it out a little bit and then smooth it down and see how close you are. Okay, as you fit each piece, you can just tape it in, and then you make the next piece, tape that piece, tape this piece. Once you get them all done, you can come back, drill them, screw them in. Also, don't forget to paint, unless you like silver or aluminum. Alright guys, this is the paint I've been using. It's some Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte, and it's you can see I painted this a couple of weeks ago, and I've been using it throughout the build for different purposes, and it's been taking the taking it pretty good. It is scratched up, but for what I've done to it, it's holding up pretty good. On the camper, it's not going to get that kind of abuse, so I'm pretty sure it'll work out real well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and run some caulk down the corner here. Oops. I keep missing. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll run some down here, and then we'll put it up and we'll tape it, and then we'll drill the holes. Although it'll probably stay up, we'll just to be safe. That way you don't have a mess. There we go. Alright, I finished the front trim and I've installed it back onto the truck. I've also gone ahead and finished the panels on the back, and we'll get to the roof now. Okay, I want to show how my panel and trim are angled, and the reason for that is I'll come back in now that it's on and I'll fill this little groove with caulk, which completely seals this whole top rail. It's sealed with the tape, but doing the caulk in this little groove will give you a secondary seal, so it'll probably never leak. Okay, this is the rubber seal that I used. I don't know if you can see the shape there. There it is. And I used, I got two 15-foot pieces, and it's got the 3M tape on the bottom, and it really sticks real well. Oops, I need more cut. Oh, that looks like crap. Okay. This is the 3M tape. Right. Which you can, even though it doesn't say 3M, it definitely is. You can feel it, the way it sticks.
Yeah, something about the red backing really says 3M.
So is Rose trying to narrate for the video?
No, I'll add probably
He'll have to voice over it.
Something. I'll probably redo the audio So I'm not gonna, oh yeah!
Yeah.
Make sure to have shredder metal.
And I'll
behind.
say, like, okay, so when you peel this off, you don't want to pull on this because,
Stretch.
yeah, you want zero stretch basically. So you want to be really, and you don't want to touch it like I did.
Well, and this is a perfect thing to show on a video using shred metal rock.
Well,
Behind you. I get it.
Did you tape her holding it?
I don't know. I don't remember. I don't think so.
Here.
Come on, hurry! This thing's heavy.
Okay. There, I can do a thing where I can go like, it's good to have friends helping you on occasion versus doing it all yourself. All right, so it looks like we got the roof done, we got the hinges put on, we put the seal in. Had to have some help for that, but it all got done. All right, guys, so I put latches on. They're just your basic pop-up tent latch replacements. And let me get the camera so you can see. There you go. Throw a couple little mini carabiners in there and we're ready to roll. So we're getting her done. Hey guys, I got the window installed and it has a problem. It only opens a couple of inches and it looks like they put a short track in it, so it only opens just a little bit. Seems like a waste of window to me. You get this big screen that's this wide, but you're only utilizing 2 inches of screen. It's kind of crappy. I've talked to RecPro, I've sent them emails, and I'm waiting to see if they're gonna do anything about it. And I'll let you know in the next video what they're doing. Hey guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to follow along, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.